Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So apparently there is a simple workaround to install Windows 11 without any bloatware, without needing to use third-party software or run a whole lot of PowerShell scripts and commands to trim and slim down Windows 11 and uninstall those unnecessary third-party apps. Now, this is according to Theo Joe, who recently tweeted over on Twitter, "Did you know you can install Windows 11 without any bloatware?" Now, I must be honest, I personally haven't tried this workaround, so I can't guarantee that it works. But apparently, if you do Google this workaround, it's not new, and apparently it does work. And how this all takes place is when you are installing Windows 11 on the Windows setup screen, where you get your language to install and your time and currency and your keyboard input methods and so on. Here under time and currency format on your initial install, instead of selecting your region, as we can see, you select English World. So you select English World, and then you click on Next, and then obviously you will just follow the prompts and finish the installation process of Windows 11. But just take note that after this and during that process, though, you may see a few errors because obviously now you are setting up the OS in a region that isn't your actual current region. But what you need to do is you can just skip through all of those, and then at a later stage, when Windows 11 is installed, all you need to do is you just head back to your settings and you head over to your time and language and your language and region, so your regional formats, where you can then change your country and region and your regional format to your actual location. So that's just a simple workaround. And after that, apparently, if we just head to another screenshot provided, obviously then you get the clean installation of Windows 11, which apparently by simply selecting English World as the time and currency format at the initial install, you can install Windows 11 without any bloatware. And this will strip, obviously, all those unnecessary third-party apps that do get bundled with Windows 11 and will slim down and trim down the OS. And just take note, though, that your normal stock apps, so your default apps that do roll out with Windows 11, as we can see, like Calendar, Edge, and so on, will not be uninstalled. But other third-party apps that are in most cases unnecessary will be uninstalled, and thereby, as mentioned, just using that simple workaround, clicking on English World in the initial setup will apparently install Windows 11 without any third-party bloatware. And as I mentioned, though, I haven't personally tried this, but apparently it does work, so don't shoot the messenger. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.